Hallelujah, guys, molweni kamlam liyabona nqaba. This is Sugar Mama cast and crew. So update nje quick sicela nixelele basisivile isikhalo senu. So now from next week which is this week kulo Monday siqala ku ukubheka phambili. Sugar Mama uzophuma Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we're going to have 3 episodes each and every week. Say kukhupha only Monday and Thursday. So it's about Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 o'clock ku YouTube. Umuntu abanisithi akanikakhuphi namhlanje kodwa iphumile ivideo ku YouTube
Uzaphuma nini?
Monday, Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday. Siyakhula.
Nileke ngoku niyayazi inxasweni siyayibona cela nisichase more subscribe.
Need 100.
Bathi abaphansi cofana supplies.
Yes, Jesus.
Subscribe.
Oh, come on. Surprise.
Love you all guys.
You know.
Go.